Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add Fibonacci levels in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness, then go to this icon right here and click on it, and you will add your Fibonacci, as you can see. Now let's say you want to add a level here. Okay, so let's say for example the 33%. So all you have to do is click on your Fibonacci, then click on the gear icon right here, settings. Now go to style, scroll down, and you can look if you found here the level you want. So for this example, we want 33%. That means 0.33. Okay, so we have here 38, and I don't think that we have 33. So now all you have to do is choose one of these, click on it, and type here 0.33 like this. You can change its color from here if you want. For me, I will keep it. Then click on OK. And as you can see here, we've added the 33% level, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.